Hi all, welcome back to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today I'll be showing the drawings that I did in the month of June. Let's get right into it. So in the month of June I did only doodles, that too no big ones, just some small thumbnail sketches and sort of. Okay, so the first doodle, let me just zoom in and show you. Okay. So doodle number 1. That's it. So the most in this video I'll be telling also my most favorite doodle in that picture. So my most favorite one is this one. Kind of like that, and then it's this one right here. Okay, so thank you. Let me just to the next one. Just a second, yeah. And now we're back to a small circular thumbnail sketch. So yeah. So my most favorite is this line. Oh, it's there's a lot of stuff going on here, like a lot of objects. So like there's a rocket, there's a line, there's some paper, there's a basketball, there's a radio, there's a tree. So I'll be coloring all of this using Copic markers later on, but not now. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of funny. Like the skull is broken into two and you can see some doodles inside. So the doodles that are there are, there's a pencil, a doodle, this pencil is saying no, there's a lamp here, there are two leaves, here's a flower, here's a radio, and then finally here is one doodle. So let's go to the next one. So let me just zoom out. Yeah. So this one is my all-time favorite. This took me a lot of time to do, as you can see with the Eiffel Tower, some mountains, helicopters. Imagine, that's the thing that is needed most when you're doodling. So space, this is hope, it's sparkling as it should be. Then here's another rocket. So my most favorite doodle in this one is the helicopter and the Eiffel Tower. They're sort of equal, I guess. Okay, so just zoom in. This one, of course, this is like the abridged version of the one that we saw here, this one. So that's that. So again, I used a Pokeball, UFO, hand, and blah blah blah. Alright, now let me just zoom out a bit more. Thank you. Alright, so the next one is another thumbnail sketch. This is my first thumbnail sketch that is based on a theme, and I'll be doing much more. Okay, so this is based on a theme food. You can see a pizza, a lime, some leaves, a burger, french fries, and then here is a hot dog. Here is some ice cream. Here is some poison. I don't know, I just included that. Okay, here is a doodle. Here's a doodle. Of course, you can include doodles in this theme, I guess. Just zoom out. And going next is another thumbnail sketch, but this one's quite different. It's in the shape of a rectangle, if you can see. Okay, so this is a doodle, radio, pizza, and it keeps going. So my most favorite one is this one. It's sort of like a walkie-talkie. Okay, moving on. This is nothing. This is me getting my ideas. This is another thumbnail sketch, a bigger one. So it's written see you, and then it's like swag, trees, doodle, a different kind of doodle, pretty different. I think it appears in Pokemon, something sort of like that. So let me just again focus. Yeah. Two balloons, and then a television, a Mac desktop. Okay, so my most favorite is this Mac desktop and this doodle. Let me just zoom out. Going over. Yeah, so this is another one of my favorite doodles. Just a second, give me it. Coming from the bottom. Awesome. Yeah, I know, it's awesome. Okay, then there's a spaceship. As you can see, some water, two mountains. It's like the Himalayas, that's why it's very high. And then there's a hand coming to catch something, and there's something that covering drawing it, and there's a doodle here, some arrows, some fire, a flower, doodle, some like magic carpet that comes in Aladdin, and then there's another arrow, radio, and then here is some like waves, if you can understand what I mean. Okay, and then there's a cloud here, and this is also an abridged version of what I said was abridged before, the skull, but this is like a smiley. It's a smiley that's split open and an arrow coming out of it. Okay, so and here's a cloud that is crying, here's a rose, here's again a rocket that shows possible. Okay, it shows possible and it's going, and there's again like awesomeness to it, that kind of sparkly thing. And then here's another doodle. Okay, here's an arrow, and here's it's written kryptonite. So if you don't know what kryptonite is, it's basically like the only weakness of Superman. Okay, this is a doodle. This is dreams. It just keeps going, but you can only see the DRE. And then this is my all-time favorite doodle. This one right here. It's like a space astronaut. He is pointing towards the sun, but this is not the sun that is in the solar system. This one is in some other galaxy, so you just have to imagine like that. So in the future the astronauts will be traveling there to conquer the other galaxies, I guess you could say. And then of course finally some buildings. So let me just show you the details on this thing. It took me a while to imagine and draw it like that. So there you go. So you saw my latest drawings. So now the one that I'm doing currently, just leave a page and green. Okay, so this is again the abridged version of something splitting apart, and coming out is like an arrow, but inside that it's the Illuminati. Here's a doodle, spaceship, some magic carpet, astronaut, leg of an octopus. Here are two buildings. Here is some mountains again, buildings, rocket, flower, and then here's a cloud. So that's it, you guys. So totally I've done, let me just count from the beginning. So let me just recap. 1, that's a 2, that's a 3, that's a 4, that's a 5, that's a 6, and this is nothing. This is just where I get my ideas. This is 7, this is 8, one of my favorites, and then finally 9th one I'm doing. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. So if you want to see more videos, click right here to see my other drawing tutorials, the Iron Man and everything whatnot. Okay, click right here to see the Draw It To drawing showcase, and click right here to see the drawings that I did in the month of May, and click right here to see to subscribe to my channel. Again guys, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.